Happy fall and welcome back to Recipes Mania. Today I am making a chocolate chip pumpkin cheesecake. The perfect dessert for your Thanksgiving dinner. So let's get started. Alright, so I've got a bowl here and I've got a Philadelphia no-bake cheesecake filling in original. So we're going to add that to the bowl. So next I have a can of pumpkin puree, and we're going to be adding some of that to our cheesecake filling. Alright, so next we have some pumpkin pie spice, and we're going to add a sprinkle of that to our filling. And mix that in. And next we're going to add a splash of vanilla extract. Give that one more mix. Alright, and the final ingredient of our filling is chocolate chips. I'm using Ghirardelli semi-sweet chocolate chips. And I'm going to add some of those and fold those in. Alright, so now I have a graham cracker pie crust. Alright, and now it's time to add our filling. Alright, now we're going to pop that in the fridge, let it get nice and chilled and set, and then we'll be ready to top it. Alright, so it's been a couple hours, and now we're ready to top it. So we have some Cool Whip, so we're going to be adding that to the top. And lastly, we're going to be adding the rest of the chocolate chips to the top. It is done. It looks so good, and we are ready to cut a nice slice. Alright, look at that. It looks so good. I can't wait to give this a try, and I hope you do too. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you back here next time on Recipes Mania. Bye guys.